Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
And good afternoon. Okay, self-practice 4.2. Discussion self-practice 4.2 number 2. A ball was released at the height of HCM from the surface. The ball will bounce 90% of its initial height after the ball hits the surface of the earth. The height of the ball, okay, given the function h equal to 10 multiply 0.9 to the power of L. And L is the number of balls. Okay, determine the height of the ball in cm when the ball was released. So when the ball was released, so L equal to 1 because this is the number of bonds for the first time. Okay, so you substitute L equal to 1. H equal to 10 multiply 0.9 to the power of 9. This is self-practice 4.2, number 2. When release, sorry, L equal to 0. Okay, release, dia baru lepaskan. Belum dia jatuh lagi ke bawah. Bonds tu dia pantul kan. So L equal to 0. So H equal to 10 multiply any number power of 0. The answer is 1. So H equal to 10. In cm, 10 cm. Okay. Tu balingan yang pertama. Bila di atas dia belum jatuh ke bawah lagi. Jadi tinggi dia tu tinggi yang maksimum, yang paling awal. So bila L sama dengan kosong. Dia macam ni. Dia lepaskan. Sampai sini dia turun. Dia belum turun lagi. Ini L equal to 1 di sini. Okay. So di sini. When the ball was released. So sampai sini ini belum L lagi. Sini L masih L equal to 0. Okay, next. B. After 10. So L equal to 10. So H equal to 10 multiply 0.9 to the power of 10. So you can use your calculator. 0.9 to the power of 10 multiply 10. So this is 3.4868 cm. Okay, that is for number 2. Okay, next. Understand for number 2? Class, do you understand number 2?
Oh, the power 10 is the L, so it bounces 10 times and then you get the answer.
Yeah.
That's the answer B. Okay.
Okay, next for intensive practice 4.1. This is page 94. Number 7. Given P equal to A 1 plus K over 100 to the power of T. P is the expected population. Okay, A is the population in year 2017. K is the growth rate and T is the number of year after 2017. The population of this country, okay, so A equal to 30 million. Million, how many zero? We have 6 zeros. Okay, assuming that this population increase with rate. So rate is K. K is rate. 3%. So this is over 100 given. So here is 3. Each year, estimate the population of this year country in the year 2015. So how to get T? 2050 minus 2017. So here you will get 33. Yes. A. So substitute into the formula. P equal to A is 30,000. 1 plus 3 over 100 to the power of T. T is 33. So what is the answer? 3 divided by 100 plus 1 to the power of 33. And we multiply with 30. Sorry, this is 30. Another 3. 1, 2, 3. Another 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the population. 7. Estimate the population. 79570057. Okay. You get in decimal. This is decimal, 0.15. But this is population. What population? The population of country M. Means this is people. So people cannot be in decimal. So you need to write in a whole number. 79570057. Okay. Understand?
Okay, teacher. Sorry.
Okay, next, number 8. Okay, P, given P equal to F1 plus R to the power of T. Okay, Mr. Prakash invests 20,000 in a bank. Okay, this is 20,000. 22,000 for what? FROT. Never mind, we read first. With an annual interest rate of 10%. Okay, 10%. Mr. Prakash invests amount after T years can be determined by the formula. Okay, this is the formula. F is initial investment. So initial investment is F, 20,000. R is the annual return rate. So annual return rate, this is R. Okay. So what is the value of investment after 10 years? So T equal to 10. So P equal to F is 20,000. 1 plus R. R is 10% over power of T. T is 10. 1 power of 10 multiplied 20,000. So the answer you will get RM 51,874. Okay, you get 8492. But we need to round off. So become 85. Because in decimal. Okay, why here we need to over 100? We need to write in percent. Here, no need to write in percent. Because in this formula, already write over 100. So you just take the number only. Here, no over 100. So you need to write 10 over 100 or 10%. 10% is 10 over 100. 10% is 10 over 100. Okay. So do you understand intensive practice 4.1?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, next. We go to 4.2. Law of Surds. Okay, what is Surds? Surds are number in the square root form. Square root form. This is Surds. And A is any square root A. A is any positive number. Okay. Let's say, look at page 97. 97, page 97, this table. Okay, sorry, wait. Okay, connection. Lost connection. Sekejap saya punya laptop lost connection. Okay. Okay, still in. Okay, page page 97. Page 97. We have number, simplified number, decimal, set or not set. Okay. Number, the first one, square root 3. Square root 3. Simplified number, we cannot simplify. So the number still set 3 order 2. Bacaan dia macam tu. Atau saya terus panggil lah square root 2. Square root 3. Square root 3. So when decimal, the number become 1.7320508. So this is set. Okay, this is set. Okay, 1/4. 1/4, square root of 1/4. When you simplify, you can simplify this number, this root. You get 1/2. In decimal, 0.5. So this is not set. Okay, because you can simplify this value. Next, cube root of 11. Cube root of 11. You cannot simplify. So the answer is still cube root of 11. So when you press your calculator, you use your calculator, you get this number in decimal, 2.2239800. This is set. Okay. And cube root of 27. After you simplify, you get 3. Decimal 3. So this is not set because you can simplify this number. Okay, you can simplify this number. So this is not set. Fifth root of 3. Okay, or we call it set 3 order 5. Set 3 order 5. So if you press your calculator, you will get 1.2457309. So this is set. Okay. So conclusion for this table, if you can simplify the number, okay, the square root, if you can simplify, means that is not set. If you cannot simplify, okay, if you cannot simplify and you can get decimal, okay, decimal like this, so this is set. That is the difference. Okay, if let's say you get page 97, still page 97, the last sentence, the last paragraph, this paragraph, okay, from the table above, it is found that set have non-recurring decimal. What is the recurring decimal? Okay, therefore set are irrational number. Recurring decimals such as, okay, this is recurring decimal, 54.565656. Dot means will be continue the same number. Okay, or you can write 54.56 . Okay, or 54.56 decimal. Okay, this is recurring decimal. Okay. If you can get recurring decimal, means that number is not set. Example, 1/4, square root of 1/4. Is this set? Okay, let's simplify. You get 1/3. Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 9 is 3. So this number, you will get 0.33333 ... Okay, the number 3 will be repeated. So this is recurring decimal. When recurring decimal, this is recurring decimal. Okay. So this is not set. You understand, class? What is set? If set, you cannot simplify. Cannot simplify. So understand about set? Do you understand about set?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, next. Mungkin ada yang beberapa orang yang ada masalah lain kot. Sebab hujan. Kat sini pun tempat saya pun hujan. Okay, example 6. Page 98. Okay, convert the following recurring decimal to fraction. Okay, change to fraction for A. 0.676767 ... Let n equal to 0.676767 ... This is first equation. Second equation, we multiply both sides with 100 n. So this is 67.6767 ... This is equation number 2. And we minus equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, we minus equation 2 minus equation 1. This is 99n, okay, equal to 67. 67, okay, if you use calculator, 67.67, no need to use calculator lah. I write 67.67676767 ... Okay, we'll be continue the number of 67. Minus 0.67676767. Okay, this answer will become 67 only. This is 0.00000. So you just write 67. And now we want only n. N equal to 67/99. Why we want n? Because n is the recurring decimal, 0.676767. So this is n. So n in fraction is 67/99. Okay. Until here, do you have any question?
No question, teacher.
Teacher, why
If you
do
want to check your, okay, good. If you want to check your answer, you can use calculator. Right?
Teacher, why do we have to times 100?
Times 100. Times 100. Because we want to cancel the decimal. We want to cancel the decimal, recurring decimal.
Okay.
If the question is three recurring decimal, let's say 1. 0.3333. So the repeated number is 3, right? One number only repeated. So second equation should be multiplied by 10. If the recurring decimal is two number like this, 6, 7. So I use another example, 3, 5. So the repeated number is 3, 5. How many decimal? 2 decimal, right? So equation number 1, you will multiply with 100. Okay. If the repeated number is 3 decimal number, 3 number, 0. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The repeated number is 3, right? 3 number. So the first equation you will multiply with 1000. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
If you want to check your answer, you can use your calculator. 0.6767676767676767. Then you press equal. You will get 67/99. This is how you check your answer. But if the question in exam like this change into fraction, you need to show this calculation, this solution. You cannot straight away write the answer from calculator. You need to show the calculation. Understand? So the conclusion 67, 0.676767 ... This is equal to 67/99. Okay, B. 12.645645 ... So how many number repeat? How many number repeat in this recurring decimal? Anyone can give me the answer?
3 numbers.
3 number. Yes, very good. 3 number. 6, 4, and 5. Okay, 3 number. Repeated number is 3 number, 6, 4, 5. So this is first equation. So second equation, you need to multiply with 1000 n. So first equation, you multiply with 1000. So you will get, you all nampak video saya sangkut-sangkut ke?
A little bit like teacher.
Okay. So this is 12. Okay, multiply 1000, 645. And okay, you multiply 1000. This is 645, 645 ... Okay. Okay, so equation 2 we minus equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. When minus 1000 minus 1 is 999n equal to 12645.645.6, sorry, 645. Okay, nak kena tulis baru nampak. Minus 12.645645. Ini akan berulang. So ini akan jadi 12633.0000. Nanti akan ulang 000. So this answer will become 12633. Eh? 12633 divided by 999. 12633 divided by 999.
Teacher, so we must only times the 1,000 or 10, right?
N equal to simplify. We simplify, we get 4211 over 333. Or boleh tukar dalam mixed number tak? Boleh tukar dalam mixed number
Teacher, and then the teacher.
215.333. Textbook lain. Boleh guna mana-mana pun boleh. Yang mana yang you all senang boleh guna. Tak ada masalah.
Teacher, so all the answer.
Sama kan? Jawapan sama.
Okay.
Sama. Jawapan sama. So yang mana yang you rasa mudah nak faham, you boleh guna. Tak ada masalah. Saya rasa ni lagi senang sebab kita punya the same method. Kalau dalam textbook dia keluarkan 12 ini. 12 dia letak di luar pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Kalau textbook A equal to 12.645645 and A equal to 12 plus N. N dia ambil yang belakang ni 0.645645. So dia ambil N ni yang belakang saja. A ni dia biar dulu. A ni dia biarkan dahulu 12 plus N. N ini yang dia buat yang baru. N equal to 0.645645. Then multiply 1000. Sama juga dia multiply 1000. But when we minus, become 999N equal to 645.645645 minus 0.645645. So the answer will get 645 only. So N is 645 over 999. 645 over 999. So when you simplify, you will get 215 over 333. But this is only N only behind answer. You need 2 plus 12 because the question have 12 in front. So A equal to 12 plus N is 215 over 333. So you get the same answer. Understand?
Okay, teacher.
Henry, okay Henry?
Yes, cikgu. Saya okey.
Apa lagi? Logan, okay Logan?
Okey, cikgu.
Hakim ada Hakim? Tishan okay Tishan?
Okey, cikgu.
Tishan okay?
Okey, cikgu.
Okay, example 7. Determine whether the following terms are set. Okay, set. Cube root of 1 to 5 or set 1 to 5. How to read? Set 1 to 5 order 3. Set 1 to 5 order 3. So, or cube root of 1 to 5. Is this set? So, can you simplify this answer? You'll get 5. So, this is not a set. Not a set. Because the value is an integer, not a set. The value is an integer. Next. B. Fifth root of 1 to 5 or set 1 to 5 order 5. One to 5. Set 1 to 5 order 5. So what is the answer here? You get 2.626528. Okay, this is not recurring decimal. Okay, this is not recurring decimal. So this is set because this is not recurring decimal. Okay, next C. 4 root of 16 over 64 or set 16 over 64 order 4. So what is the value here? You will get 0.707167. How we get this answer? You can use calculator. Okay, this is set because not a recurring decimal. Okay, or you can write it is a non-recurring decimal also can. Okay, next. Example 8. Square root 4 equal to 2 square root 4. Explain. Is square root 4 equal to 2 square root 4? Okay, so you solve left hand side. The question asks you whether left hand side equal to right hand side. So you need to show left hand side what's the answer. What is the answer for right hand side? So you compare. So square root of 4 square root of 4 equal to 2. And 2 square root 4, the answer for 2 square root 4 is 2 multiply square root 4, the answer is 2. So 2 multiply 2 is 4. So left hand side 2, right hand side 4. So is this equal? 2 is not equal to 4. So square root 4 is not equal to 2 square root 4. Generally, n root of a is not equal to n multiply square root a. Okay, ni tak sama. Ni yang dia nak tunjuk sebenarnya. Ni dua ni datang mana? Dua ni datang daripada square root. Square root. Square root. Ini tak ada nombor, maknanya ni dua kan? So dia nak tunjuk yang okay, ini yang dia nak tunjuk. Square root of 4 is not equal to 2 multiply square root 4. Dua ni dia nak tunjuk mana? Dari sini, square root ni. So tak ada nombor, biasanya dua kan? Tu yang dia nak tunjuk.
Teacher cannot see the answer.
Okay. Pardon?
Cannot see the answer, the down one.
Cannot
Yang
see the
bawah.
answer?
Yeah. Now can see already.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Can we continue? Next. This is the law of Surds. For A greater than 0, B greater than 0, square root A multiply square root B, we can write square root AB. Set AB order 2. Okay, B, if square root A divided by square root B, this is equal to square root of A over B. This is law number 1 and this is law number 2. Actually, this is like index, like law of indices. So example 9, write the following as single set. So single set, square root 2 multiply square root 7. So the answer should be square root 14. Just multiply inside set. B, square root 3a multiply square root 5a. Set 3a order 2 multiply set 5a order 2. This is equal to 3 multiply 5 is 15. A multiply A is A squared and this is square root. So we can simplify. We separate the number and the unknown, A squared. So this is equal to square root 15 square and square root. Square and square root we can simplify. A power of 2 in bracket power of 1 over 2. Square root means 1 over 2. Okay, square root means to the power of 1 over 2. So we can simplify, we will get A only. Sorry. A only. Okay. So this is A. So how to write the final answer? This is coefficient. You can write like this. Not coefficient. This is a single term. So you write in front. So A square root 15. Kalau you tulis belakang, ada murid dia lakukan kesilapan macam mana tau? Dia buat macam ni. Yep. Dia buat square root 15, A dia letak sini. So A dia ni tak tahu luar ke dalam square root. So sebab tu kita tak nak bagi confuse, A letak di depan. Sekejap Sekejap
Cikgu, mic cikgu tutup.
Cikgu ada cakap apa? Teacher talking?
Belum. Sekejap eh. Okay. First, we need to simplify. This is division. So we need to simplify. We check whether the value of surd equal or not. Okay. The root, equal of root. Root, square root. Here also square root. This is same. So we can combine 24 over 8 because the root are same. So we can combine inside. Okay, we can combine the number 24 over 8. Why over? Because this is division. Now, square root 3. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Square root 3. So this is the answer as a single set. Next, D. Square root 21a over square root 7a. So we simplify, we check the root equal root. So we can combine. This is 21a over 7a. So this is square root 3. Simplify 21 over 7. This is 3. So the answer is square root 3. Okay, next. Example 10. Write square root 18 in the form of a square root b, where a and b are integer and a is the largest value. A largest value. So a greater than b. So now you need to simplify. Square root 18. Okay, square root 18. You change in multiplication. So 9 multiply 2. 18 come from 9 multiply 2. Actually, 18 also we can write 6 multiply 3. 6 multiply 3. But why we didn't use this value? Okay, now, first we separate. I do both value. Okay. Okay, this is square root 6 and here square root 3. Multiply, multiply. So this is multiply. Now we change. We simplify. Square root 9 is 3. And here square root 2. No need to write multiplication symbol. This is simplify. Can we simplify square root 6? Cannot. Can we simplify square root 3? Become an integer. Cannot. So cannot use this method, this number. Because we cannot simplify both number. Here we can simplify 9 to get the answer same like question. A square root b. And a is greater than b. 3 is greater than 2. So correct. This is our answer.
Teacher,
This is the answer.
that means most of these questions, sometimes I try and error, right?
Yeah. Okay. Tapi try and error pun kalau selalu buat latihan, tengok je dah tahu dah yang mana nombor dia sebenarnya. Tak perlu buat semua pun. Yang penting latihan kena sentiasa buat. Nanti tengok je soalan dah tahu dah. Okay. Example 11. simplify the following expression. Simplify the following expression, ungkapan. So A is square root 2 multiply square root 3 plus square root 6. Okay. We need to solve multiplication first. Okay, we solve multiplication first. So square root 2 multiply square root 3. Square root 2 multiply square root 3. So we can combine the number. We write in the same root, square root. So this is plus square root 6. So this is square root 6 plus square root 6. Square root 6 plus square root 6, this is equal to 2 square root 6. Means you have 2 square root 6. Okay? B. Do you understand example 11A?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Next. B. Square root 7, 6 minus square root 7. Okay. You need to expand the bracket. 6 square root 7. So this is the number, whole number you write in front. 6 square root 7. Minus, this is square root 7, multiply square root 7. So I write in bracket, careful when writing. So square root 7 multiply square root 7. I write in bracket. So this is 6 square root 7 minus 6 square root 7 minus square root 7 multiply square root 7. Actually, this is square root 7 to the power of 2. Okay. Square root and square. Square root and square. We can cancel. Square root and square. We can simplify. We can simplify. Become 7 only. So square 6 square root 7 minus 7. That is the answer. Understand, class? I expand the bracket. Then I simplify, I multiply, I simplify square root and square. So become 7 only. So this is the final answer. Can you understand?
Oh, so in the square we can cancel the surd, teacher.
Yes. Why? Okay, now why? Look here. 7 square root 7 is 7 to the power of 1 over 2. Square root 7 means 7 to the power of 1 over 2. Remember, square root means the power is 1 over 2. And this is power of 2. Power of 2. So we can simplify. 1 over 2 multiply 2. 1 over 2 multiply 2. Half multiply 2. So this is 1. So 7 to the power of 1, the answer is 7 only. Same like before. Like this. When square inside. Okay. A inside. Square is inside. A squared. And this is square root. Square root of A squared. So A squared in bracket root. Square root means power of 1 over 2. So we multiply 2 multiply 1 over 2. Cancel and cancel. We get A to the power of 1. A to the power of 1 equal to A only. Same. Understand, class?
Understand, teacher.
Okay. In general, if square root A to the power of 2, this is equal to A square root of A power of 2. Ini sama. So this answer will get A only. Masih rasa perlu tulis ini, tulis dalam buku awak nanti. Square root of A squared is equal to square root of A square. It's equal to A. Okay, pengiraan dia. A power of 2. This is power of 1 over 2. Square root. So this is power of 1 over 2. Here. A square root of A is A power of 1 over 2. Power of 2. Square root is 1 over 2. Power of 2. So we can cancel. We can cancel. So become A only. Is that clear?
Okay, teacher.
Nitya, okay Nitya? Nitya Sri, do you understand Nitya? Yes, okay. Thank you for responding. Okay, next. C. Example 11C. Square root 18 minus square root 8. Okay. You need to simplify the set. You need to simplify the square root, the root. Okay. Now, 18. You can get 18 from 9 multiply 2. Macam tadi, kenapa tak buat 6 multiply 3? Sebab kita tak boleh simplify. Salah satu dia kita tak boleh simplify. Kalau yang ini, we can simplify square root 9. So yang ini lagi ringkas. Yang ini tak boleh sebab dia tergantung. So kita guna yang mana yang paling mudah. So 9 multiply 2. So 9, we can get square root 9. So minus 8. How to simplify? Can we get the multiplication number that we can simplify? Square root of 4 multiply 2. Because 4 simplify. Square root 4 become 2. Okay, this is 9, 2, square root 9, square root 2 minus square root 4, square root 2. So this is equal to square root 9 is 3, 3 square root 2 minus square root 4 is 2, 2 square root 2. Okay. Kalau murid yang dah faham penolakan set, dia boleh straight away tolak. 3 square root 2 minus 2 square root 2 becomes square root 2. Straight away boleh tulis 2 square root 2 only. But tapi kalau ada yang masih kurang faham nak tolak terus, you need to factorize the same term. So the same number, the same term is square root 2. This is the same number. So you factorize. When you factorize 3 here minus 2 here. So become 3 minus 2 become 1. So 1 multiply square root 2 is square root 2. No need to write 1. If you write 1, this answer is wrong. You need to simplify. Simplify means square root 2. The answer is square root 2. Okay. Next. D. 6 plus 2 square root 2. 1 plus 3 square root 2. So how to simplify?
We expand first, teacher.
What?
We expand first, teacher.
Expand. Yes. We expand. So this is 6 plus, this is 6 plus 6 times 3, 18, square root 2. 6 times 3, 18. And here, 2 square root 2 multiply 1. So this is 2 square root 2. And here, 2 square root 2, this is plus. Okay, plus. Tak nak bagi confuse sebab dia banyak sebutan. 2 square root 2 multiply 3 square root 2. Tulis dulu yang itu. Okay, next. 6 plus, this is the same root, square root 2 square root 2. So 18 plus 2 is 20 square root 2. And now plus 2 times 3. You multiply the number first. 2 times 3, 6. Okay. Now square root times square root. Square root 2 power of 2 because we have 2 square root. So square root of 2 multiply power of 2. So this is 6 plus 20 square root 2 plus 6 multiply square root 2 square. So dia cancel. So become 2 only. So 6 plus 20 square root 2, this is 12. The answer is 18 plus 20 square root 2. That is the final answer. Understand, class?
Okay, teacher.
Example 12. Simplify in terms of A multiplies square root B. So this is 4 square root. 27 is 9 multiply 3. We simplify. This is 9. Okay. And this is square root 3. So 4 square root 9 is 3. And this is square root 3. So 4 multiply 3 is 12 square root 3. Next. For B. Tak faham terus tanya Kalau saya cepat sangat ke apa ke terus tanya. For B. 7 square root 243. So 7, 243. What number? Multiply what number to get 243? So this is 81 multiply 3. You divide by 3 you get 81. So this is 7. Okay. And here 81 and 3, square root 3. So 7 square root of 81 is 9 square root 3. The answer is 63 square root 3. Macam mana nak tahu ni? Nak tahu dia punya pendarapan ni? Awak buat dia punya faktor dia. 243 is 1 multiply 243. Okay, 2 tak boleh. 2 darab berapa? 243 tak boleh. Ini nombor ganjil. 2 nombor genap tak boleh. So 3. 3 darab berapa? 243. 3 darab 81. So 81 is perfect square. Boleh square root nanti. So inilah jawapan dia nanti kita guna. Okay, check one by one. Kita guna dia punya product. Factor. Okay, next, C. 5 square root 75. Okay, macam tadi nak check 75 come from 1 multiply 75. Okay. Lagi 2 tak boleh. 3 darab berapa? 75. Boleh tak? 25. 3, 15. Okay, 25. 25. 3 multiply 25. Okay, 25 is a perfect square. We can square root, right? So this is 5 square root 25 multiply 3. So this is 5 square root 25 square root 3. So 5 square root 25 is 5. This is square root 3. Answer 25 square root 3. Tapi ada boleh mudah lagi tak? Tak boleh. Yang ni lah dia habis. Okey. Okey, satu lagi. Satu lagi yang ringkas. Example 13. Determine whether the set of expression 4 square root 12, 5 square root 18 and 5 square root 6 are similar set or not similar set. Okay, maknanya kita kena simplify. 4 square root 12. 4. Okay, 12 is 1 times 12. Okay, 2 times 6. Ada perfect square tak kat sini? Tak ada lagi kan? Okay. Lagi. 3 multiply 4. Ada perfect square di sini? Ada. 4 ni perfect square. So, this is 4 multiply 3. Itu nak check dia. Okay. This is 4 square root 4 square root 3. Kita pecahkan dia. So, this is equal to 4 square root 4 is 2. This is square root 3. Ini darab kan? Ini kalau saya tak tulis maksudnya darab juga. Sama. Kalau letak titik pun dia darab juga. So 4 times 2 is 8 square root 3. Okay, that is the first number. Second, 5 square root 18. So now 18. 18 is 1 multiply 18. Okay, next 2 multiply 9. 9 is perfect square. So we can use 9. This is 9 multiply 2. So this is 5 square root 9 and square root 2. Ini kurungan pun maksud dia darab. Titik pun maksud dia darab. Kalau saya tak tulis simbol darab ni, saya ada buat kurungan pun dia darab. Okay. Square root 9 is 3 and this is square root 2. So 5 times 3 is 15 square root 2. Okay, next. 5 square root 6. Okay, 5 square root 6. So 6 equal to 1 times 6 equal to 2 times 3. Tak boleh, semua tak boleh kan? 4 bukan perfect square. So tak apa, kita ambil yang 2 times 3 ni. 5, 2, 3. Tak boleh juga, kita tak boleh ringkaskan kan? Biarlah buat je 5 square root 6. Sebab kita dah buat macam ni pun tak boleh juga. So kita biarkan 5 square root 6. So we want to check our answer whether this is similar set or not similar set. Okay, look at the set. Okay, that is the different set. The three expressions do not contain a similar irrational number factor. Thus, all of those expressions are not similar set. Not similar set. Okay. Understand, class?
Okay, sure.
That is the way lah how you can simplify the value inside set. You use the product. Okay. The product. Then you find the perfect square. You substitute into the set. Then you simplify. Okay, that's all for today. Any question, class?
No, teacher.
Okay, no question. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Thank you for today. Terima kasih masuk kelas saya. Terima kasih.
Teacher got other homework.
Bye.
Terima kasih cikgu.
Ada, mesti ada.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher. Bye-bye, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.